Whispers of the dawn, brushing over hills of green. In the olive groves where the sun paints the scene, three souls converge, each carrying a dream, riding through the silence, unraveling seams. Murry leads the way, like shadow to the sun, with hands steady on the throttle. He's the chosen one. Years on the open road have crafted his calm. He speaks in laughter, imbued with a charm. Roger revs beside him, a beacon of delight. His humor echoes loud, turning worries to light. Together they set forth as the world begins to fade to the mountain trails where memories are made. We came as three, but we ride as one, through the dust and fire into the sun. 3 days, one road, and a fear undone. Now the silence breaks and we become. Doubt like a chain, nervous hands grip tightly. The fear echoes in his brain. Yet as they touch the trails, a mountain's true embrace pushes him to feel alive in this wild open place. With every twist and turn, the rhythm starts to swell. A bond is growing stronger, in laughter they dwell. Murray's calm leading, Roger's jokes unfurl. As Jan steps into courage, he starts to feel the world. We came as three, but we ride as one, through the dust and fire into the sun. 3 days, one road, and a fear undone. Now the silence breaks and we become. Across the olive groves, their laughter echoes wide. In the heart of the journey, forever side by side, bound by the roads trodden in the sunlight's grace. Three riders, one spirit, in their own sacred space.